I recently started working an office job, and from being so stagnant all day long and sitting in the same position all day long, bunch of little things started popping up with my body that I never had to deal with before. And I've never felt such immediate relief for an issue that I had the way that I have found a solution with Jovi. And the lymphatic drainage massage is incredible. It's very intense. It takes a lot of almost mental preparation, but once it's done, you look like this.
And this is your second time coming in?
Yeah, this is my second session coming in, and I feel better than I did after the first time I came in. Oh man.
And what you come in for initially was that you're having body pains, aches, or just the body was feeling general stiffness?
Yeah, I had a lot of muscle stiffness in certain areas and tenderness in other areas from holding a position all day long. And my hamstrings were tight, my shoulder was notched, my neck was very, very stiff. And now everything just feels loosey-goosey.
Right. Mm-hmm. And then how did you find this? What did you do to search that made you made the difference between one shop and the next?
I was specifically looking for a full body lymphatic drainage massage, and a lot of the places that I was looking into had some sort of acupuncture component associated with it, or you had to buy a bunch of sessions in a row, or they had availability weeks and weeks and weeks out. I was able to book a session within the week, was able to try it out for myself, become a believer, and I bought a package after the first session because I knew I needed more of this.
In the first session, how did it leave you feeling? You're saying took you a while to gather yourself.
Oh yeah, it felt like all my muscles were working properly for the first time ever. I almost felt drunk, but like I moved and just my body did what it was supposed to do. I just didn't know that it wasn't doing what it was supposed to do before this.
So your body control connection improved.
Yes, yeah. My body controlling connection improved. I felt far more balanced, like my body, one side wasn't overcompensating for the other. And especially when I sleep now, I don't feel like I have to shift constantly one side to the other to get comfortable. I can just
let go.
Let go and rest. Yeah, and especially waking up in the morning, I don't feel as stiff. In the morning, I don't feel as
achy, sore.
Yeah, and it doesn't take me as long to pop out of bed.
Warm up.
I don't want to get out of bed, but it doesn't take me as long to get up and feeling like when my feet hit the floor, that's where the pain starts, is the moment my feet hit the floor, and now I just kind of pop up out of bed and I'm good to go.
So you found some remedies that are working for you now.
Yes, exactly.
Aboriginal Holistic Remedies methodology.
Yeah, exactly.
So different approach that leaves your body feeling just like a whole bunch of roller coaster rides and experiences, and takes you through a wave of emotions and physical reliefs that a lot of therapies probably not providing.
Yeah, it's I can truly say it's unlike anything else I've ever experienced, and I'm happy to refer other people based on my experiences. I feel like it can help a lot of people.
Like myself, right?
Yeah, people just, we're so focused on so many other areas of life, but your body, your temple needs to get taken care of.
Right, it's your grounding source. Well, I appreciate you coming down and giving us a review, and we'll see you the next time.